What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have my Arrma Big ROCK 3S out. Just want to run around and bash on this fine day because we don't have too many left. So let's get into it. What the hell happened here? Okay, do I got to switch batteries or did it come out? Whoa. Yo, the Big ROCK is beasting out over here. Okay, Big ROCK. Yo, the Big ROCK is really doing this. I think it is the battery. I think I put a weak battery inside of the Damn. It's all over the place. It's like a little rocket. Yo, I love this hobby. This power system is off the chart. Oh my God. It's not too bad. Probably can wipe that off. Let's get back into it. And the battery's dead already. Let me switch this battery out because I am not done. I didn't put pins on. Put some pins in here. Use the body. I broke my wing. Oh man. Where I had that mount to? Yeah, I'm gonna wind up break. Where's my wing? Ugh. Yeah, that could be fixed. I have it mounted to the body. And the battery's dead. My batteries keep dying. I gotta upgrade my batteries. But as always, this is Phillyswords RC. Hit that notification, hit that like button, and I'm out. Before I go, I got to admit the Big Rock was not messing around. She is a pure beast. Pure beast. Only thing I lost was my wing and was mounted to the body. I thought I put a wing mount on here, but I'll put one on there. Nice badge.